Hello, good morning students. Now today we will study about matter that are in the form of solid, liquid and gases. In which three forms matter is formed? In solid, liquid and gas. So first of all, we should know what is matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has space, occupies space and has mass. What is matter? Matter is anything. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. What do you understand by it? If you see around yourself, whatever the things are there, they all are made up of matter. Okay? If you see things around yourself, so whatever the things are there, they all are made of matter. Okay? Now, I will explain you once in Hindi. कि मैटर क्या होता है? जो भी चीज़ हम अपने चारों तरफ देखते हैं तो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ वजन होता है, वेट होता है. तो जो वेट होता है जिसकी वजह से वो कुछ जगह लेता है, इसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज मैटर. ओके, तो मैटर इज एनीथिंग दैट ऑक्युपाइज स्पेस एंड हैज मास. ओके, जब वो स्पेस लेता है तो डेफिनेटली उसका कुछ ना कुछ मास भी होता है. केवल वो स्पेस नहीं लेता है, दोनों चीज़ होती है उसके साथ. मास भी होता है और स्पेस भी लेता है. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर मेड ऑफ मैटर. जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे चारों तरफ होते हैं वो किस चीज़ से बने होते हैं? मैटर से बने होते हैं. यू कैन सी एग्जाम्पल वुड. हैव यू सीन वुड? इफ यू हैव नॉट सीन वुड, हैव यू सीन चेयर टेबल मेड ऑफ वुड? In school, when you come to school, you see chair and table where you sit, that are made up of wood. Chair table किसकी बनी होती है? लकड़ी की बनी होती है. तो wood is also a matter. Second thing, iron. Have you seen iron? In your home, so many machines are there, electronic machineries. Your car, okay. So there some parts are made up of iron. Then same way, earth. Earth you see wherever, if you can't see the earth, but have you seen a globe? If you have not seen, you may ask your SST teacher to show you the globe. So you will see that some part of globe it will seen, and there you will see that it occupies space. Then water. You keep water in a jug, in a glass. It is taking some space. Then you see wax. Wax means candle. Have you seen? So the candle is made up of wax. There also you will see that there are some what? When you see the candle, it also have some space. Then same way gold. Gold ornaments you are wearing, like your earrings, your chain. You must not be wearing, but your parents must be wearing. So they are all taking some space. Then and so many matters are there. You have seen in kitchen so many utensils are there. Your pencil box, your books, your copies, your plant trees, all are occupying some space. And when they are occupying some space, so it means that they are having some mass in it. Then only they can occupy space. So what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Now, even the air around you also have mass. जो हवा हमारे पास है ना, उसमें भी कुछ मास होता है. But how you can say that it is having mass? So you can do one example. Take one balloon. Okay, take one balloon and fill air in it. What you should do? Fill air in it. when you will fill air in a balloon, what you will see? That balloon get expanded. What you will see? That balloon will expand. And when balloon will expand, what will happen? You can see that it is occupying some space, isn't it? When balloon is kept, it is somewhat like this. It is somewhat like this when no air is there. And when you fill air in it, have you seen it become somewhat like this? I am giving one example. This is balloon and air-filled balloon. Air-filled balloon. So what you have seen here is balloon space. It has taken very less, but when you have filled air in it, it has taken more space. Okay. After that, you weigh this balloon in your weighing machine. Okay. So what you will see that this will also have some weight. So what does it mean? That air occupies space and has mass in it. Okay. What you will see that air occupies space and has mass in it. So this is about what is matter. Okay. This is about what is matter.